A virus-like particle, or VLP, is a type of vaccine that mimics how naturally occurring viruses appear to our bodies, but is not able to cause disease. VLPs engage the immune system in a manner that closely resembles interactions with actual viruses by mimicking their structure. They are made up of a central component that acts as a scaffold, like an inner structural support system. This organizes the VLP into a virus-like structure and a large number of antigen-specific components which form the outside of the VLP and mimic key viral proteins. When combined, these components self-assemble to form the familiar shape of a natural virus. VLPs can have one antigen target or multiple antigen targets per VLP, protecting against one or several viruses. Because VLPs mimic how naturally occurring viruses appear to the body's immune system, they elicit a strong and durable response. Our scientists are exploring novel ways to maximize the potential of VLPs to develop next-generation vaccines against one or several viruses in combination, with the goal of protecting as many people as possible from the serious burden of infectious disease.